India's settler colonial project is a sinister agenda aimed at erasing the identity of the Muslims in occupied Kashmir. All parties Hurriyat Conference leadership stated that the Modi regime is systematically paving the way for settler colonialism in occupied Kashmir. Political experts and the Kashmir watchers in occupied Kashmir have said that India has turned the territory into the world's largest open-air prison where all the political and social rights of the people have been snatched. The political experts and the Kashmir watchers in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said that the presence of over 1 million Indian forces deployed across the territory have already made the life of the Kashmiri people a living hell. 7-year-old boy died after falling from the second story of his home in Dalgate area of Srinagar on the Monday morning. A police official said that the boy was seriously injured after he fell from the second story of his house. A police team engaged in the raids against the innocent civilians in the Shopian district was assaulted by the people, fed up with the frequent raids and cordon and search operations by the Indian occupation forces. The police have filed a case against several individuals stating that the team was attacked during the execution of a court warrant against an offender in the district. Dead body of a person with a throat slit was recovered on the Monday morning from Avura area of the North Kashmir's Kupwara district. The official said the dead body of a person identified as Abdul Hamid Khan was found in a pool of blood with a throat slit inside his house. Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has praised Spain, Norway and Ireland for their decision to recognize the state of Palestine, hoping that the international community will pay the same amount of attention to the plight of the people of the Kashmir as reported by the Arab News.